it's me, Phoenix from Phoenix TV. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of my birthday cubes. And yes, it is my birthday today. So these are the cubes. Whoa, okay. Get all these labels and stuff here. These are the cubes that we have to unbox today. 5 cubes. The GAN 356X, which is a GAN cube. The X-Man Wingy Skew. The X-Man Spark M. The Modu Altron GTS 505M. The X-Man Shadow 6x6. And let's get started with the Skewb. Now I have got Skewbs, but my current main is the Modu Skewb. It used to be my It used to be my Yushin, because you saw that in my qualification video. If you haven't watched that, I recommend you watch that, but yeah. Okay, straight away this wants to turn. Oh yeah, boy, this is very good. Let's do solve. I am kind of improving in Skewb, but I don't really know, to be honest. Oh my god. Yes, 628. That was really good. Let's do one more quick one. This might be too easy. No! Okay, that's one thing that I've noticed, that it does feel a bit loose. Where did that go? There it is. Sorry, I went out of focus then. Okay, I was about to solve that. That would have been around like an 8 or 9. I'm always averaging around like sub 10. And it has this concave feeling that you normally wouldn't get on cubes. So that's cool. Next one, we're gonna do the X-Man Shadow 6x6. Okay. And let's also put the Skewb here. So, oh wow, this is, inner layers turn really nice. And I like that. And oh wow, it does feel very flimsy though. Like it feels like it has an architecture feel, if that makes any sense. And yeah, it is kind of loose, so it might like pop a bit. Yeah, that is kind of loose tensions, as you can possibly see. Oh god. Oh, and by the way, once it's uploaded, thank you so much for 100 subs. Thankfully for that. There's also going to be another vlog going to be uploaded uploaded to my channel. And by the way, this is the Altron 505. I'm not going to solve that because it might take me like 4 minutes, and yeah, we don't have enough time to be able to do that. But yeah, that's the Modu. Oh, and plus I haven't seen these booklets yet. Team Modu, I have no idea who he is. I don't know if you'll see. I'll take a picture on the screen right now. And yeah, and here's also a giant old booklet. Oh my god, this is massive. This is giant. This is giant. How big is this exactly? Whoa. Okay, this is massive. Man, all that just to fit in this 6x6. Holy, that's massive. Oh wait, no, that's 5x5, silly me. Extra magnets in case it breaks, which I hope I don't have to use that, and plus someone else. I'll put another picture on the screen right there for you. And onto the cube. Ooh, it does feel really nice. It does turn really fast, that's for sure. Yeah, I can definitely get some good solves on this, because I should be able to get sub 2 on this. Oh wow, this is good. Okay, let's do a time of this. Sorry that I haven't really done many times yet. 3, 2, 1. Two minutes 23. That's okay, I guess. Okay, next puzzle. We are going on to the SPAC. That's what my friends call it. You'll see them at comps. Cube Flavor Pie. And oh god, and Willy Wonka. Even though he's only uploaded. Okay, straight away. I forgot to turn it. Okay, that's the same booklet again. Okay, 7x7. Oh wow, this turns nice. This turns super duper nice. That's nice. Whoa. See how fast I can flare through these T-perms. It is kind of greasy, but at the same time it isn't, which is good because I do not like greasy cubes out of the box that are actually meant to be really good, such as this one, which is what some people say. That is very greasy out of the box. And yeah, that's a 7x7. Again, I'm not going to scramble this one up or solve it because it's going to take too long. Okay, last and definitely not least, the cool one, the Game 356X. Straight away, it comes with a bag. I already have a bag from my 460. I haven't done an unboxing of it at all. Sorry about that. And I think these are the nuts. And the, apparently they have these cool extra magnets, oh, here we go, that are in this. And now what is this? Oh, these are like, okay, this is how to, if I can get this booklet out, how to, change the magnets and stuff. Why is half of the, oh, here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, now I know to. Now here's the actual, oh, there's a card in here. Cool. That's a card. Your ultimate PB renewer. GAN 356X in Japanese writing or Chinese writing that I don't know, of course. Because that's what every single company is like. 277517. No idea what that means. Anyways, onto the actual cube. That was like an egg. Crap. Okay, first turns. So these are the strong magnets that are in here. Cool. These strong magnets don't really feel that strong. They actually feel kind of weak. Now these are like little magnets that can come on here. If I can open it. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's cool. So there's actually a null version where there isn't actually a magnet in there. I didn't know that. So apparently you're supposed to put these in here and what? Okay, that's cool. That's the exact same picture that was on the SpeedCube website. I'll actually show you for that right now. You can actually see there's like this weird little thing that's on it. It looks like there's like actual magnets on it, but it's not. Push that out. And now I don't have a magnet in one of my cubes. Let's do that for the rest of them. Okay, so I have 4 of the magnets out. Oh, it feels weird without the magnets. Otherwise, it's just a cube. It's like the 356R. That's cool. Now let's put the magnets back in. That's cool. Okay, I got them all back in. Now let's put it back in the package. That's the wrong thing. Yeah, so I haven't tried out the green ones or the yellow ones yet, but I might try that out one day. Yeah, but let's do a solve on this because this feels really good. Remove the time. that was cool. 17.76. Okay, that's really good. So those were all of my unboxings. I might do a review on each one of these, but only if we reach a certain oh, I'm not gonna, or maybe I'll just do it whatever reason. And I did not expect that to happen. Okay, that was unexpected. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and we are on the road to 200 subs now. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think I already just said that. Of my birthday cubes. Peace out.